My first YouTube income with 100 subscribers. Do you want to know the secret? Listen, every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. But do you know when they started earning money? The Mr. Beast, the most successful YouTuber of today's time, started posting since 2012. But he earned his first $1 after posting for at least for 1 year. Then the case study of PewDiePie, who also ruled the YouTube for many years. PewDiePie started posting since 2010. Even after posting continuously for a year, his income was barely below $100. He even can't buy a hot dog from his income. And he also talks about that sometime when he was unable to finance his YouTube channel, he sold hot dogs to support his channel. So if you are a new YouTuber, you have less subscribers, you are not earning because you are not monetized. I don't know, at that time when Mr. Beast and PewDiePie started working on YouTube, their criterias of monetization were different. But now we can monetize our channel only after 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. So we have to earn it, and we have to continuously post so that we can monetize our channel on time and with the hype button and many different YouTube updates. Recently, YouTube also supporting the small creators from who having only 500 to 5000 subscribers, so you can grow your channel fast. Now this is the opportunity for small YouTubers, so don't stop posting if your channel is not working well. But you have to be careful, you have to post more, because this is time for the small creators, because the trending page is now there, because trending page was the thing that everyone was watching, and now no trending page, everyone will watch hype page, and that will be beneficial for the small YouTubers. Hype page, and that will be beneficial for the small YouTubers. In a interview, Mr. Beast said that you should not think about monetization, any income, or your recognition. You have to post at least 100 videos. After that, someone will recognize you and your content and your channel. Before 100 uploads, you should not judge yourself, because you are in a learning process at that time. Today, Mr. Beast have 417 million subscribers on his channel. So guys, don't stop, upload and learn.